This Christmas, I want to create my own gift shop in my home so my family can shop for their gifts. I added this cute little shelf to this area in this little sign just to give more of a shop boutique feel. I bought these personalized bags off of Orient Trading. I think that's the name. I created my own signage for my gift shop. And I bought jars from Dollar Tree for my product that I'm going to put in the gift shop. I created my own labels for my product. And I bought these little tags from Dollar Tree. I just put the stickers on those tags to create my label. Front and back cuteness. So this is the before. This is when I added the shelf. And this is the complete project. Y'all, everything turned out awesome. Better than I even imagined. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour of how the shop turned out. This is the signage that I created. And just give that cutesy wootsy feel. And everything you see, you got it from Dollar Tree, Target, or Walmart. The products came from Walmart, also Amazon. I got boxes so I could put the syrup into, so the jars went clean together when they place them in those shopping bags, the personalized shopping bags that I show you guys. And I also made bought these little whisks to go with the cuteness from Amazon. Everything turned out so cute, guys. My family really enjoyed their gift. I couldn't even think to add anything more or less or take away from it. And these are the recipe cards I created as well to go along with the product, the pancake mix and syrup. And this is a cute little garland that I just thought it would add a little more pop of color to it.